So I kind of predicted it at about 417 to be exact. Thank you. All right, there's some Texas plates there. Let's see if they'll let us go. All right, nice to see some southern plates down here. But most of it is in Missouri. And there's like a brick road right here. This is all, guys, this is all, and you can see all the patios out here. Probably in the summer, this street right here is probably jamming. There's Flannery's. There's 14th Street. Well, wow, something smells good again. Probably that Mediterranean grill there. Somebody doing a shish kebab, lamb shish or chicken shish. There's Nigerian cuisine. So Washington, yeah, this is pretty much a historic downtown here, because the signs, well, the signs on the streets turned from like regular square plaques to more historic ones. A couple of guys digging a hole. I think just by, I don't want to judge, but by the accent of that guy, it sounded a bit, I want to say Eastern European, but definitely with the twang of the Balkans. And maybe, just maybe, this is a proud member of a very, very large Bosnian American community out here in St. Louis. I was reading about it actually, that it is the largest Bosnian American community outside of the city of Chicago. Since the early 90s, since a lot of the conflicts there, they were coming over as refugees. And yeah, some of them maintain their stronghold up in Chicago, and they do. It is the largest Bosnian community in the United States, but a pretty big proportion. I mean, sizable enough to where they write about it. They write about it in Wikipedia and stuff. I did not check the sources, but seemed credible, and they even mentioned a local neighborhood. They're actually very close to where we're going to be going today, to the hill, to the old Italian neighborhood, to try those toasted raviolis. Okay, so supposedly this is the old Polish Quarter. Supposedly. And I can see those, from doing my research, I can see those steeples up there where that chimney is. That's the Polish Community Center. So I remember looking it up on Google. And there's Dr. Martin Luther King Drive here. But it just seems like just seems like, you know, sort of a maybe mostly industrial neighborhood here. Nice little townhouses here. Soccer field. Yep, that's very Polish. But also St. Louis, I just heard, well, I just read that St. Louis actually has a professional soccer team. I can't tell you what it's called, but yeah, they do have a major league soccer team. So fully professional, guys. Okay, of course, the Polish Heritage Center is at the St. Stanislaus Polish Church. So something for everybody, I guess, today. So okay, property under surveillance, and there's a Polish eagle, like a big plaque of a Polish eagle. Huh. Jeszcze Polska nie zginęła, póki my żyjemy. Co nam obca przemoc wzięła, szablą odbierzemy. See, at least, guys, I know some of the, well, I know the first verse. Here we are. Urbano Stanislawski, Henrykus Musiepień, Stanislaus Kostka. So this is in Latin. Basically, honor this church honoring Saint Stanislaus Kostka. Rite me posuit. If you guys know Latin, that's what that means. 1891, September 13th, is when Petro Henryk, Archbishop, I think, and another rector, another priest named Urbano Stanowski, and another guy named Henrykus